Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize Spotify on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you are using Spotify, so let's see how can you customize your Spotify app. So you have to simply open up your Spotify app and here just go for a library section, and here you can add artists or different playlist or collaborative playlist or plans on your library in Spotify. Or if you want to go out for settings, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and here you will get different